Hello guys, just wanted to do a review of this Hasbro version of Mirage Fafnir F6. This was purchased today at Walmart. They have finally hit y'all stores, so I will check your local Walmart, maybe Targets, see what they're available, and look at this, nothing driver, no spring at all. So take this apart. Oops.
I got it.
So we got this right here. Here's the code. It is rubber. Here's the 1A disc.
I get the bottom too, okay?
Very, very different from Takara Tomy. And as you know, this is the driver right here. Look, you cannot push it down. Purchased the stadium as well. It's all right. We also purchased a Luminor right here, and it's plastic. Here's the driver. It does have metal.
But the metal for it, look.
We'll do a detailed review later. We just wanted to do a quick review of this Beyblade, mostly the Fafnir. We'll do a battle and everything, a more detailed review. This is just a quick review. Just wanted to let y'all know to go to y'all stores. It's out. Just because it says it's online and it's out of stock, it does not mean it's out of stock. They haven't uploaded it to their website. They haven't updated their inventory, but it is out. So go out there and do some bay hunting. And good luck.